Introducing the Tryzub, Ukraine's groundbreaking new laser weapon. This state-of-the-art technology is set to revolutionize the battlefield. Named after the country's national symbol, the trident, the Tryzub embodies the spirit and resilience of the Ukrainian people. This laser system is reported to destroy targets over a mile away with incredible precision. But how does it work? The Tryzub uses advanced optics and high-energy beams to neutralize threats with pinpoint accuracy. And can it really change the game in modern warfare? Experts believe it could redefine combat strategies and provide a significant edge on the battlefield. Experts explain that laser weapons like the Tryzub are especially effective against slow, low-flying drones. These drones often fly at lower altitudes and slower speeds, making them easier targets for laser systems. The precision and speed of laser weapons allow them to neutralize threats almost instantaneously, reducing the risk of collateral damage. These drones have fragile components, making them vulnerable to intense focused heat. When a laser targets these drones, the intense energy can cause critical components to overheat and fail, leading to the drone's destruction. This method is not only efficient, but also cost-effective compared to traditional missile systems. The concept isn't new. Laser technology has been in development for decades, with early prototypes dating back to the mid-20th century. Over the years, advancements in technology have made these systems more practical and effective for modern defense applications. The U.S. Navy has had laser systems operational since 2014, using them to protect ships from various threats, including drones and small boats. These systems have proven to be reliable and effective in real-world scenarios. And other nations like China, Israel, and the UK are developing their own systems. Each country is investing heavily in laser technology, recognizing its potential to revolutionize modern warfare. These advancements are paving the way for a new era of defense capabilities, where laser weapons play a crucial role in national security. But lasers have their challenges. Faster-moving targets, like missiles, are particularly difficult to hit. The speed and agility of these targets make it hard for the laser to maintain a lock. Additionally, environmental factors, such as rain, clouds, or thermal blooming, can significantly reduce their effectiveness. Rain and clouds scatter the laser beam, making it less focused and less powerful. Thermal blooming, for example, happens when the laser heats the air around it, causing the beam to weaken. This phenomenon occurs because the heated air creates turbulence, which disrupts the laser's path. So what do you think? Is the Tryzub the future of warfare, or just another ambitious prototype? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge military insights.